Hi, I'm Dr. Ivan Suburvi from Medical Science. Most people hear that boosting NAD, NMN, or NR is the key to restoring energy and slowing aging. But the real reason these supplements often fail is simple. The body has lost too many mitochondria to use NAD effectively. This mitochondrial loss is the real reason so many people feel exhausted, foggy, or out of energy by early afternoon. It's not laziness or lack of motivation. It's a loss of the mitochondrial engines that convert NAD into usable energy. Mitochondria are the engines of the cell, and NAD is the fuel. But many biological stressors shrink the mitochondrial network long before aging even begins. Chronic psychological stress fragments mitochondria and lowers energy output. Depression and anxiety are linked to dysregulated mitophagy that removes damaged mitochondria faster than the body can replace them. During sickness and inflammation, cytokines and reactive oxygen species attack mitochondria directly. Some viruses even hijack and degrade them to weaken the immune response. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and ALS show profound mitochondrial DNA damage and loss of mitochondrial mass in neurons. Metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes overload mitochondria with excess nutrients, leading to insulin resistance and metabolic collapse. Environmental toxins, cigarette smoke, medications like statins, and heavy metals also impair mitochondrial biogenesis or trigger mitochondrial loss. Cancer cells often reduce their mitochondrial mass intentionally and shift to glycolysis, known as the Warburg effect. And of course, aging itself reduces mitochondrial number by 30 to 70% due to accumulated mtDNA damage and oxidative stress. When mitochondrial number drops, the electron transport chain slows and NADH builds up. Even with supplements, the cell cannot use the NAD. This is NAD incapacity. This is also why you feel drained in the afternoon. Your cells simply don't have enough mitochondria to convert NAD into ATP. Your energy system is underbuilt. To fix this, we must rebuild the mitochondrial network. This is where PQQ becomes essential. PQQ activates PGC1 alpha, NRF1, NRF2, and TFM, the master regulators of mitochondrial biogenesis. PQQ helps the body create new mitochondria, restore mtDNA replication, and rebuild the electron transport chain. In simple terms, NAD is the fuel, but PQQ rebuilds the engines. But rebuilding is not enough. Stress and inflammation leave behind a graveyard of damaged mitochondria. Autophagy and mitophagy are blocked. This is where grapeseed extract becomes critical. Its OPCs activate autophagy and enhance PINK1 and Parkin mitophagy. It reduces senescent cells and protects new mitochondria from oxidative damage. Grapeseed extract clears the old and protects the new. So, the full picture is this: NAD restores the fuel, PQQ rebuilds the mitochondrial hardware, and grapeseed extract restores cleanup and protection. Only when all three layers are addressed can the cell rebuild its mitochondrial ecosystem, restore energy production, and eliminate that afternoon crash. I'm Dr. Ivan Subarvi from Medical Science. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, and YouTube for more health tips, and look for my book, Maps for Longevity. I'm Dr. Ivan Subarvi, and this is Medical Science. Stay curious to stay healthy. This content is an educational overview and not medical advice.